Ever wanted to sound like Mickey Mouse? The world's most famous cartoon voice? That high-pitched laugh, those iconic catchphrases every kid knows by heart? Now you can generate Mickey's voice with artificial intelligence, for free, in seconds. No studio equipment required, no voice acting skills, no expensive software. Let me show you exactly how. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am about to show you how to create a Mickey Mouse AI voice, the exact same voice from the Disney cartoons, using just a web browser and a free online tool. The tool is called Fish Audio, and it is changing the game for content creators. Here is what makes Fish Audio different. It is not just another text-to-speech tool. Fish Audio has one of the largest libraries of AI character voices on the entire internet, over 300,000 voice models, created by a community of millions of users, including dozens of cartoon characters, anime characters, Disney characters, and celebrity voices. The Mickey Mouse voice model is one of their most popular, with thousands of uses and likes. Let me walk you through every step. Step 1. Open your browser and go to fishaudio.com. The landing page loads instantly. You will see their voice library front and center. There is a search bar right at the top. Type Mickey Mouse into that search bar and hit enter. You will see several Mickey Mouse voice models that other users have created. Each model has a preview button, so you can listen before you choose. Click on the one with the highest number of likes and uses. That tells you it is the highest quality version, the one the community trusts the most. Step 2. Now you are on the voice model page. You will see a big text input box in the center of your screen. This is where you type what you want Mickey Mouse to say. Write anything you want, seriously, anything. Try Mickey's most famous catchphrases. Oh boy, hot dog, see ya real soon, gosh. Or write custom lines for a specific project. Maybe you need a voiceover for a YouTube video, a funny line for a meme, a birthday message for a kid who loves Mickey, a custom intro for your podcast, a sound effect for a gaming stream. Anything you can imagine. Type it in. The voice model will capture Mickey's signature style, his high-pitched, excited tone, the way he stretches out his words, that unmistakable Disney charm. The AI model has been trained on Mickey's unique vocal characteristics: pitch, rhythm, inflection, enthusiasm level. It gets all of it remarkably right. Step 3. Click the Generate button. Fish Audio processes your text in about 8 to 12 seconds, maybe a little longer if the servers are busy. Then you get an MP3 audio file you can download instantly. The output quality is impressive. This is not some robotic computer voice. It genuinely sounds like Mickey Mouse. Here is my honest assessment. Is it 100% perfect? No. No AI voice is. But is it close enough that most people will not question it? Absolutely. If you play a 5-second clip for someone, they will think it is the real Mickey Mouse voice. Guaranteed. The longer the clip, the more you might notice tiny imperfections. But for short-form content, memes, intros, voice messages, it is practically indistinguishable from the original. Now let me tell you why this is such a big deal for creators. Character voices used to require one of 3 things. Option 1, you hire a professional voice actor. That costs money, lots of money. Option 2, you learn to do the voice yourself. That takes years of practice. Option 3, you use sound clips from existing media. That is a copyright nightmare waiting to happen. None of these options work for a solo creator on a budget. AI voice generation changes everything. You get a high-quality character voice, instantly, for free. No contracts, no royalties, no copyright strikes to worry about, because the voice is an AI synthesis. It is a recreation of the vocal characteristics, not a direct copy of any copyrighted recording. This is creative transformation, not theft. The use cases go way beyond just Mickey Mouse. Here is what real creators are doing with Fish Audio right now. First, faceless YouTube channels. You create a channel where a cartoon character narrates videos. Think Mickey Mouse reviewing movies, or giving life advice. These channels get millions of views. The character voice is the hook that keeps people watching. Second, gaming content. Streamers and game developers use AI character voices for NPC dialogue, quest givers, enemy taunts, cutscene narration. It saves thousands of dollars compared to hiring voice actors for an indie game. Third, social media memes and shorts. A funny line spoken by a famous character voice. That is instant viral potential. Mickey Mouse saying something completely unexpected. That breaks the internet. Fourth, personalized messages. Imagine sending a kid a birthday message from Mickey Mouse himself, hearing their favorite character say their name. Parents pay money for that kind of thing. With Fish Audio, you can create it in under a minute. Fifth, podcasting and audio drama. Create an entire fictional podcast where Disney characters interview each other, or debate modern topics, or review new movies. The creative possibilities are endless. Now here is the best part. Fish Audio is not just Mickey Mouse. Not even close. They have hundreds of voices across every category you can think of. Other cartoon characters. Peter Griffin from Family Guy, SpongeBob SquarePants, Homer Simpson-style voices, Bugs Bunny-type voices, anime characters, Naruto, Goku from Dragon Ball Z, Luffy from One Piece, you name it, movie characters, Darth Vader, Thanos from the Avengers, Deadpool, the Joker, Yoda from Star Wars. And real celebrity voices too. Morgan Freeman and his iconic narrator voice, Eminem rapping your custom lyrics, Drake singing your hook, Donald Trump, Joe Rogan, Andrew Tate, Barack Obama, Elon Musk. The library is massive, and new voices are added every single day by the community. Game developers are using it for full NPC casts, YouTube creators are building faceless channels around single-character voices, voiceover artists use it to create scratch tracks and reference demos before recording the final version, marketers use character voices for attention-grabbing ads. The tool is as versatile as your imagination. Here is how to get started right now. The link to Fish Audio is in the description below this video. Click that link, it takes you to the Fish Audio website. Create a free account, you get free credits just for signing up, no credit card needed, no trial that expires, no hidden subscription, just a real free account with enough credits to generate plenty of voice clips. Search for Mickey Mouse or any character voice you want to try, type your text, click generate, download your file. That is it, 3 clicks, under 30 seconds, from idea to finished audio. If you want unlimited access and more features. They have paid plans too, but you do not need to pay a cent to get started and test it out. Bookmark Fish Audio.